This video walks you through how to color code a calendar in Notion. Begin by opening the Notion database that contains the items you want to display on a calendar. Once you're in that database, switch to the calendar view. This is the view where each page appears on its assigned date, and it is where the color rules will show up after they are configured. If your database has several views, make sure calendar is the one currently selected before moving on. With the calendar open, go to the top right corner of the view and click the View Options icon. This is the sliders icon. When you select it, a panel opens with settings for how the calendar is displayed. That panel is where Notion keeps the controls for visual changes, including conditional color settings. Inside the View Options panel, select Conditional Color. This opens the section where you can define rules that change the appearance of calendar entries based on properties in your database. The rule can be tied to fields such as status, priority, or another property already being used in the database. Next, click Add Another to create a new color rule. This gives you a new condition line to work with. Each rule links a specific property value to a chosen background color, so the calendar can display different types of entries more clearly at a glance. Now choose the condition you want to use. Start by selecting the property, then choose the matching condition for that property. For example, you might set a rule where status is done, or a rule where priority is high. The exact choices depend on the properties available in your database, so select a combination that matches the category you want to highlight. After the condition is set, choose the color you want Notion to apply. You can pick a color such as blue, green, or red, and that color will be used for the page background in the calendar when an entry matches the rule. This is the part that gives each category its visual distinction, so choose the color that fits the meaning you want to assign to that condition. If you want more than one color rule, repeat the same process by clicking Add Another again. Then select a different property value and assign a different color. You can continue adding rules for other statuses, priorities, or categories as needed. Make sure each condition matches the correct property value before closing the panel. Once the rules are in place, return to the calendar view and look at your entries. Events that match the conditions you created will now display with their assigned colors automatically. The calendar updates based on the property values already stored in each page, so the color coding reflects the conditions you configured. Your Notion calendar now displays color-coded events based on the conditional rules you set.